Following complaints from the public and the MLA of Kharkutta regarding the substandard construction of Adokgre Rmsa High Secondary School, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inspected the school today. He directed the Deputy Commissioner of North Garo Hills to immediately constitute an inquiry and take necessary action against the contractors. He also issued a stern warning to other contractors engaged in government projects, stating that the government will not tolerate any substandard work.
And therefore I have come myself to see the work out here, and of course we are not qualified engineers, so I have asked the Deputy Commissioner to immediately conduct a detailed inquiry into the work that has happened out here and to submit a report to me at the earliest, and based on that report, if there are any shortcomings and if there is any compromise on quality, then action will be taken accordingly. At the same time, I would like to also take this opportunity to tell all the contractors who are working with the government that we should be very clear that there should never be any compromise on quality, and as a government will be firm and will take action wherever necessary if there is any compromise on the quality of the work.